people, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, hello, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist, and today I'll show you 3 viral Instagram hairstyles that includes braids, because my hair unfortunately is not that long and thick. I'm using my favorite MHOT hair extensions. By the way, mine are lace, 24 inches long, 220 grams. I love them so much now because I can achieve any hairstyle that I like. They were so kind and gave us a coupon code so you can use it and buy your favorite clip-in extensions. Even though MHOT hair extensions are really affordable, you can even save more money by using the coupon code that I leave in info bar down below. So make sure to have a nice set of hair extensions and recreate these beautiful braided hairstyles with me. So begin with our first hairstyle.
We'll make 2 pull-through ponytails. For this we'll need some clear elastic. Then you want to divide all our hair into 2 equal sections. Now we want to grab a section from one side on the top, make with it a ponytail, then pull it a little bit to make our crown voluminous looking. And then, grabbing a strand of hair, you want to wrap it around the elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath, like I'm showing. Now you want to repeat the same steps on the other side as well. So we'll make our second ponytail on our crown section. And then you want to grab a small section of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the elastic like we did with the first ponytail. Now we'll grab our second ponytail on our first section and we'll make it using a clear elastic as well, loosen it a bit. And then you want to divide first ponytail from first section into 2, grab second ponytail and bring it through the middle and clip it for later. Then grabbing these 2 strands, we want to add more hair from both sides and make our third ponytail. Now you want to release again our second ponytail. We'll pull created loop and we'll divide second ponytail again into 2 and bring third one through the middle, clip it away for later, third one, and then grabbing fourth, these strands left, we want to add more hair and we want to tie it using a clear elastic again. And then again pull created loops, divide third ponytail in, and then you want to tie it underneath last ponytail, pull the loops, and you're done with your first pull through ponytail. And we want to repeat it on other side as well. And you're done! Cute, right? It looks so effortless and boho. This is an amazing boho beachy hairstyle. And for our second hairstyle, we want to make a very low ponytail using an elastic. Pull a little bit the crown, grab a section from the ponytail, wrap it around the elastic and tuck it into the elastic like I'm showing. Spread this section over your elastic. Then you want to grab another clear elastic, tie it lower and making an opening. You want to bring the ponytail through it, pull your hair from the topsy tail created, and then again you want to tie another clear elastic lower make an opening and bring the hair through it, pull it, and then we want to grab our third elastic, tie it, make an opening, bring the hair through it, pull it, and you're done. Also, I decided to accessorize my ponytail, but this is of course optional, and you can use any clips that you have at home, and you're done. For our third hairstyle will be a little harder to understand what I'm doing, because we'll make a Dutch fishtail braid. So we'll make a deep side party, grab a big section of hair, divide it into and crisscross these strands. So I'll call strand 1 and strand 2. We'll grab a small section from strand 1, add more hair and go under strand 1 and to the strand 2. Then you want to grab a small section of hair from strand 2, add more hair to it under strand 2 and add it to first strand. I hope that this makes sense. So basically you grab a small section of hair from strand 1, add more hair to it and bring it under strand 1 to the strand 2. You want to repeat these steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add. So lower you'll see better what I'm doing, because you'll have the shape of the braid, so you'll understand how I'm making it. So as you can see, we grab a small section of hair from strand 2, add more hair to this small piece and bring it under strand 2 to the strand 1. So again, you grab a small section of hair from strand 1, add more hair to this small piece and then go under first strand to the strand 2. You can see better what I'm doing, so you'll understand how I'm making. And guys, don't just look at what I'm doing, repeat it. Trust me, you'll make it. It looks a little harder, you'll make it. Trust me, just repeat once or twice and you'll be good. So when we don't have more hair to add, we want to make a Dutch fishtail braid without adding hair. This means you grab a small section of hair from strand 1 and add it to strand 2. So you grab a small strand from strand 2 and go under strand 2 and you add it to strand 1. Here we'll tie an elastic, but on last time make sure to pull your hair halfway through. Pull a little bit braided braid to make it effortless looking, like that, and also the sides of the braid to make it loose. Then you want to grab the ends of the braid, wrap it around the elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath using your finger like I'm showing. So I'll show you one more time so you can see better what I'm doing. You can accessorize it of course, or leave it as it is because it's amazing, and you're done.
What do you think about my hairstyles? They're cute, right? I love them. Thank you, MHOT hair extensions. I achieved really beautiful hairstyles today with them. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. This is an amazing way to tell me thank you for my videos. Also guys, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial, because you know, I have so many ideas for you. But that's it for today. Love you lots. Bye.